mounting criticism. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, who heads the Shiv Sena, on Wednesday sacked Rajesh Shah, whose son Mihir Shah was involved in the BMW hit-and-run murder case as the party's deputy leader. A BMW car driven by Mihir Shah rammed into a two-wheeler in the Worli area of south-central Mumbai on Sunday morning, resulting in the death of Kaveri Nakwa, a 45-year-old woman who was riding pillion, while her husband Pradeep survived with injuries. Police has said that Shah, a Shiv Sena politician from the adjoining Palghar district, actively ensured Mihir's escape after the car crash. My colleague Prathamesh with us on the broadcast. Prathamesh, the Shiv Sena has taken action against Rajesh Shah, the deputy leader of the party, whose son Mihir Shah was involved in the BMW hit-and-run case. If you can take our viewers through the details, has a formal statement been made?
Yes, correct. After this incident, the Worli hit-and-run case, the Rajesh Shah has been removed from the post of deputy leader of Shiv Sena. This decision has been taken by Shiv Sena leader and CM of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde. After this incident, the Mihir Shah is also been arrested the day before yesterday, and yesterday he was present in front of the court, and court has sent him to the police custody till July 16. As after this, after the Mumbai hit-and-run case, the one woman has lost her life in this accident, and after that soon the action has been taken. Also his father Rajesh Shah and also the driver has been arrested by the Mumbai police, and after that they were being presented in front of the court. But after that the father Rajesh Shah was been given a bail, and now after that the Shiv Sena has been taken a big action that he is been removed from the deputy leader post as well. Yes.
Okay, Prathamesh, quickly before we move on, if you can take our viewers through the details of where the investigation stands at this point in time. We had learned that Mihir Shah has been taken into police custody.
Yes, correct. This incident basically happened on the Sunday morning at nearly around 5:30. This incident had happened, and the one woman was being dragged till 1.5 kilometers. So after that, the Mumbai police came into the action as Mihir Shah has been also arrested, and he is being sent into the police custody. Police is also inquiring him because a few days ago the police had got the bill around 18,000 which he has spent in the Juhu bar. So police is investigating on that ground also that when the time of the driving he was drunk, he was consumed alcohol at that time, so what was his state of mind when he was driving, because he just dragged that woman till 1.5 kilometers. So what was he thinking at that time? That police is investigation at that moment. Also the driver is been also police is investigating with the driver as well. He is also been questioned that it was been seen in the CCTV footage that he was been changed the place of the driver. So everything police is investigating on this matter, as well as with Rajesh Shah. Also police is questioning him that how this incident has happened. Because this incident has happened, the Kaveri Nakwa has lost her life in this incident, as well as the Pradeep Nakwa, her husband, who was possibly had just a small injuries. He was successful to jump from the vehicle, but Kaveri Nakwa wasn't successful from the jump from the vehicle, and she was dragged till the 1.5 kilometer. So police investigation on every of the ground, and the questioning is still going on. Yes.